Okay everybody, you may remember that a week or so ago I posted a video showing a flaw with the Anker PowerPort Qi 10 wireless charging pad, whereby if you used it with a Samsung fast charger, the adaptive fast charger, it didn't work properly. And the reason I posted that video was because I was surprised to receive a message from Anker technical support saying that the two were incompatible. Now, after I posted the video, I got a follow-up message from Anker saying they'd like to correct the issue. I won't go into details, but basically they were mistaken. And they've sent me a replacement. So this is a slightly more comprehensive look at the replacement. I've already cut the tape. Happy? Yeah. Welcome guide. There's not much to this product. I can't imagine you're going to need the welcome guide. I never detailed this before, but there's a short USB micro cable provided. So let's take a look. Let's put the original one to the rear while I pop this. So this is the main thing. It's almost identical. Yeah, that's interesting. This is a different component. Serial numbers are not dissimilar. They're both model A2513, and they both have the same input and output specifications. Both manufactured in China. What's different? Well, the surface treatment is different here. This is rubber on the original one. It's not very porous, whereas this feels like a very thin layer of foam. I'm sure it's still a plastic-based material, but it almost feels like cork. So, clearly not quite the same thing, so maybe this has been a cost reduction here. I can't imagine it makes any difference at all. They're almost impossible to tell apart. So, let's crack on. The Samsung adaptive fast charger, which caused the problem. A recap on what I was seeing before. The lights breathe. And then we go into distress beacon mode. Annoying. And this is the new one. Fingers crossed here, guys, because I'm posting this whatever happens. Yeah, that looks to have fixed it. Yeah, that's charging. And yeah, that's good news. So now I have two of these, because the message graciously says I don't have to return the old one. Well, I wouldn't be returning it anyway because it's going to get recycled. No, it's not. I'm going to carry on using it because it works when connected to a non-fast charger, so that's good. Right, well, I mean, this product is great. I have to say, Anker, I've bought a lot of their products over the years. lithium-ion portable chargers. They've all been good. I have a 5-port 60-watt wall charger, which has been great for years. I really like their packaging. The fact that there's no, the packaging, it doesn't come in a huge, blown nylon box or some overblown nonsense like that. You just get what you need and you can recycle it all. I have some of these USB micro to C converters, and they are working great, as my house is primarily on USB micro, and my most recent phone is USB-C. So yeah, I mean, the point I'm trying to make is I think this is a good company. They made an unfortunate mistake here. Tech support is not easy. People tend to be under a lot of pressure, so it's understandable how they can make a mistake. And it's good to see one get corrected quickly and efficiently. So thanks to you all for listening, and thanks to Anker for sorting this out. I have now got what I originally thought I was buying. So just to restate, Anker PowerPort 10 Qi charger charging pad does in fact work with the Samsung adaptive fast charger.